How to change chart type in Olymp Trade. Welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are showing you how to change your price chart's look or how to change your chart type in Olymp Trade application using your smartphone. So the first thing to do is to launch open Olymp Trade application on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged into your Olymp Trade application, and once you're inside the home page, go to the top right corner and from the terminal page, click on the little chart option at the top right where it says 5S or two different chart options. Now in the pop-up at the bottom, you can scroll through the chart type and choose whether you'd like to set up your chart type to candlestick, area, Heikin-Ashi, or bar chart. Select any one option and you'll be able to see that your chart type has been changed on the screen. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.